Okay, everyone's asking, well, not everyone. There's some people that keep asking for chile rellenos. So I'm gonna tackle that today with these tiny peppers known as, can you guys guess what this is? Comment down below what this is. I'll tell you at some point in the video. But yeah, I'm gonna do these and we're gonna turn them into this and then we're gonna eat it. It's gonna be really good. It's kind of a chile relleno, kind of not, kind of from my childhood. It's really good. Stay tuned, subscribe. Oh, really good. I like that. Okay, first thing is going to make the filling for our tiny peppers. Typically with chile relleno, you use a chile poblano, and I have all these shishito peppers that are going kind of bad, looking kind of wrinkly and sad, and we don't want to just throw them away. You know, these are actually perfect. I'm gonna make the filling for this guy. You want to do this with your regular poblanos, go ahead. So I'm gonna do some avocado filling with jalapeno, cumin, and then some chili. I'm gonna just toast off some of my cumin. As you can see, my pan is already kind of toasty hot. I'm just gonna toast that off a little bit. You hear the snap, crackle, pop? Listen to that. Love that sound. I'm gonna toss that into the blender. We're gonna do some chili with the ends. These have the most flavor, everybody. Just so you know, like people will just like pick the leaves off and then throw these away. Little do you know, this is what has all that flavor. So toss that in. And a good old avo. Is it good still? Is it good? Dude.
Look, you got a wooden ball.
It's like 2 weeks old. Yeah, we got a little prize in the middle, right? A little wooden ball. You can go right through it. Oh man, there's nothing in this one. Okay. I mean, you could do this, but I would suggest not doing this. This is very dangerous. I would always say like cut away, not on your hand. I've seen someone actually cut into their hand. That was pretty hard to watch. Avo in. Dude, look at that. The spoon is the perfect size for this avocado. A little ASMR for you. Is that satisfying? And then look, we even have a little spoon holder right there. Perfect. We're gonna do some of this beautiful jalapeno powder. It's really spicy. You guys should check this out. It's really good. Just a touch of that. And then, you already know. You already know. You don't have to ask. Citric acid. Citric acid, come on. A little touch of that, just for some brightness. And fancy olive oil. Fancy olive oil in. Touch of rice wine vinegar in. Salt that motherfucker. Ready to blend. Let's go. Okay, I added a touch of water so I can get it going a little better. And there we go, here's our avo filling. Of course, we gotta give it a taste before. That's solid. Salt it to taste, add some brightness to it if you want with like lime juice, whatever. This is the way I like it. Okay, I got a little piping bag and I'm just gonna put it into the quart. Makes my life easier. Here's our avo spread. We want this to be thick enough to hold together when we stuff it in, by the way. Can't be too loosey-goosey. Also, I would say adding cheese to this filling would be really good too. That'd be solid. And we're all ready to go. I like to do this with my piping bags. Cut a little slip, and you can just tie it up. Although this plastic's really strong. Just like that, and there we go. I've got a plastic baggie ready to go. You can just keep that in the fridge till you're ready if you want. Now we're gonna make the batter. This is gonna be an egg white batter, or it's got the full egg, but you're gonna fluff the egg white first. Which way? Oh, there you go. Save the egg yolks, because we're gonna fold them in at the end. Just gonna do, let's do 4 or 5 eggs. We'll see. These are my favorite eggs, by the way. They got the most orange yolks. How many did I do? I think this is number 5. Okay. Oh no. Okay, there we go. And now I'm just gonna whip this motherfucker up. Oh, this would help. A little whisk attachment, right? In, up, and we go. Okay, so at this point, you can see, hey, there we go. Sort of like stiff peaks going on. I'm gonna add in a 1/2 cup of flour and my yolks. All of them in. And then I'll do some salt, season that. And we go. And that is gonna be our batter for the peppers. All right, the time has come. We're gonna stuff these guys. Just gonna make a little slit in each one. And then we'll just open her up like that. Piping bag with a little tip. We'll just sort of open her up a little bit. See, you just do a little press and it opens. Perfect little package. You could take the seeds out if you want, but nah. I'll just fill her up, close her up, on to the next one. These are looking good, huh? And yeah, like I said, cheese would be a good filling in here too. Cheese or any type of protein. Where's the slit on that? Oh, there we go. Also, a good thing to know with shishitos is sometimes you will get a spicy one. I think it's like every 1 out of 10 or something like that, you get a really hot one. So it's like a fun game to play sometimes. Maybe you could take it upon yourself to stuff one with something really hot. That'll be fun. And here is all our peppers ready to go. And like I said, we can hold this all in the fridge. I got my peppers here, I've got my batter, and then I've got my filling. So if you want, you could just like kind of hold this until you're ready to serve it. Obviously this will probably hold for a good maybe hour or two. So you gotta make that every hour or so. Now we're just gonna fry it. This is rice oil. I don't know what temp it is yet. It looks like it's too hot. Let's find out right now. Yes, too hot. We want this to be around 350. Yeah, 350 tops, because anything more than that, the outside was just gonna burn. The inside's gonna be kind of raw. So I'm just gonna wait for this to cool off a little bit. It's around 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Don't wanna be there. All right, while we're waiting for this to cool down, Michael has the questions pulled up. I asked you guys for questions, so I'm gonna answer them now. Okay, let's answer this one by Pickles. Did you ever cook something, try it, and say to yourself, wow, this sucks? I'm pretty sure that's happened. That should happen to everyone, right? You're experimenting, so yeah, that's happened. I don't remember what it was, so there's that. Let's see, for one of your soup days, I'd like to see your take on gumbo. That's on the channel, check it out. It's labeled lobster gumbo or something. All right, that's enough of Q&A time. Okay, so first, give it a little dippy dip, just like that. And I like to do a second dip after that, and then just bring it on up. A little shake, shake, and we can toss her in. Just keep repeating the process. There we go, they're looking good. Put them onto a paper towel to dry off. And then we're going to immediately season these guys with some kosher salt. And that's a done good looking pepper right there. Now for a quick little dipper, let's do some QP mayo and some chorizo. Add a touch of citric to that. There we go, some chorizo mayo. Some chili for garnish, just like that. I feel like it needs something. Let's buy some Korean chili flake. Just a little bit of that on each one. There we go. That looks good. A nice looking set right there. Pretty. Let's hold them side by side, I guess like that. That might be a cool thumbnail. We got raw and cooked. Wanna try this out? Yeah. There you go. Thank you. Oh, it's tasty. Oh, pretty good, huh? Yeah. Really good. Smash like, subscribe.